How to change your name in Clash Royale. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you step by step how to change your name in Clash Royale. Remember folks, you can only change it once for free. The second time you'll need to pay 500 gems. Let's go ahead and open Clash Royale. Here you'll need to click on these three lines. Three lines. Then click on Settings. Down below, you'll find the option to change your name. Click on this option. Since I've already changed once, I'll pay 500 gems to change it again. Now I'll choose my player name. You need to type the name again, so I'll repeat what I typed. Now it asks you to confirm by typing it again, then click OK. So my name has now been changed. Did you manage to do it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.